Tim Hortons, my friend that I was with, he said, these guys, what you need done are the guys that have it done. No complaints at all. They did everything like they said they were going to do it. They did very quick, clean, nice guys. Tom, he was, he quoted me on the project that told me, exactly what they were going to do, how they were going to do it, explained everything to me. I've never had this done before, so I was a novice. He, sent me a couple of books, and gave me a lot of information I didn't know. The sump pump in my basement before I had the job done was continuously going. We had a lot of rain this year. After they did the job, I have yet to hear the sump pump go. Another one of my houses I'm going to get done. I'm going to get the basement and crawl space all refinished. And we're going to come back next year and do that. The guy called me on the phone. I don't know who he was. I've never met him. And asked me what I thought of the job I had done. I guess he was by the house. He's in Tillsbury. So I gave him a good recommendation. He said, so you're happy? I said, oh yeah, definitely. I said, if you need something done, these are the guys that get to do it.